Bakit ng pisto?
Ah,
Hindi.
abot ba?
Ambor ka?
Lapas na kami sa ina.
Across the shore, in distant lands, with dark stars overhead, the prince was fast asleep until a cat jumped on his bed.
Just said the word.
I found a secret garden, said the cat with much delight.
Ha?
Excitedly, they ran outside, explorers in the night.
Tiga ato. Ambot na ay gayon.
They walked through the golden garden gate.
Kanang
Look at the pretty trees.
sikuan man ni.
They walked along the pretty pebble path. Look at the colorful flowers. They walked past the fabulous flowing fountain. Look at the dancing water. Look, look, look. But the prince didn't like the garden and started kicking down the trees.
Oh,
He dug up flowers, grabbed the hedges, and pulled off all the leaves. He ruined everything for fun. The cat watched on in fear. What a mistake I made, the cat cried out. I should never have brought him here.
Kaginan. Sapa kita gidadar man ni natong mga bata ay wag kabong lakaw.
Mo giti. Mino asar ng lakaw. Ug may taggawas. Nga na natural ng ginang sakit mo gawas mo gina. Sa bulakaw. Atong dagan ko ron. Ano man siya nga.
Mark, his child.
Asa na ba to?
Danar ko dinar pabalikon man karon schedule.
Ito natin ito na.
Pwede ra mag-digo sa sunod na timing-timingon lag na. Schedule ra man nga na. Balaka sa dari ganina. Lisod gipaglakaw natin eh.
That we see.
Ano ko sentil, sakit na. Ha?
Hindi, agay naman siya. Agay. Mag-agay doon. Lakaw. Lakaw. Hindi agay. Sige, lakaw. Uy, ano ka pundo? Kapon, lakaw. Ano sa Asturias.
Ano sa mo?
Nakitabi sa taan Pedro. Pedro ka nagpagaling. Huwag mo uli. Yung sa ano, may kami. May bata mo ba? Kaya dati. Yung baong pas mo na sa.
Padong tayo mo gapon. Ah, nibalik ko sa agi ay.
Sugat ka?
Oh,
Isa ka oras sa adjunta.
buntag. Dito mo sukatan na sa may Carmen. Nibalik ko sa agi sa motorsikol. Kung nato mo balay.
Kami sa Asturias. Kaya nawag sa ni Iler. Yung staka na. Tuon na kasi kay. Tawag na sa po. Ano po. Hindi sa pa-disturbo kay. Sige kasi. Ay, nag-distribuhan niyo ay. Siya, tuon na po sa ilahata. Yung isang asawa. Sabi, pwede sir. Kaya ilan yung lawas.
Sino mo si?
Yung asawa.
Ano?
Sapon.
Do you know how to make a baby go to Jesus? Yes, I do.
Get the cross. This baby's possessed.
Wala pa sa dito.
Oh my gosh, child. Oh my
Ano
gosh. Baby.
Look, it's so cute.
Don't worry, I'm making
Yeah,
him
it's so
panic.
cute.
Okay.
Papa, this looks so cute. But the nose is just a problem.
Doktora.
This is a shot from a baby.
The tea is full.
Wizard has a band-aid.
That's what I wondered when I first played this game.
Bro, we always know that.
No, my bro farted.
This is just yes.
I put the baby in the oven. Well, he seems to have fun.
Yung tanan na ulay, ug mas kuha natin kay sige tili lakaw natin.
Bro, that was like so easy.
Adto
Just
taron.
put him in the oven. Yeah.
And then oven.
Ano sa dardana?
Did you just go get the box?
I want her to leave the room and close the door now. I'm gonna send the cross to him.
Tago.
Oh, shamalabadi.
Ito ana.
Oh, shamalabadi.
Lagos
Okay,
sa
even though this
opisina.
is Klinger, this is still Jesus. Jesus. There you go. Rubber ducky. Here's a bird. Here's your toy.
What is wrong with this?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, this is the biggest fish I ever seen. Back to the baby.
And here's some kitty ears. Can you wear it? No, I don't think so. Can I get your... I get your mom. Your mom. There you go. Get that.
There's no harder than Dude, can you do this, please? And don't touch the diagram inside.
What?
Wait for that road in lines. There is a line.
Let's rub the first nut.
Big head mo din.
Okay. Yep, that's the baby. Oh my gosh, your big ass head. Oh my gosh, your big ass is your head. How big is that thing?
Jesus.
Jesus. Feed the baby. Okay, feed the baby. Did it?
Ball from fridge.
Did this?
You
Use
demon.
this, the ass.
That's a demon.
Come here, my. I know my sister told me to take care of you, but you're just the ass. There, he's happy.
But the trash.
Now, head. This will happen when you open the trash.
If you keep torturing him, he actually.
Sorry, here. Let me open this. Okay, he liked that. So I think that's okay.
Now, where's the bottle?
Your musty ass smile looks like a peanut butter. Oh my gosh. Cheese tax. Yes. It's a cheese tax.
Naghahan ang kalingawan sa
I can't find it.
Sorry mo, namoy.
No, I ain't gonna run. I'm being paid to do this.
Pwede nang susuroy
Not
mo.
about it, quit my job. It's because of nasty ass Kyle has a demon powers. Found it. It's tiny.
kita sa kalingawan.
May problema. Basta.
Hey bro, your zesty ass head dropped my. Oh, you got some diapers? Here, let me get the diaper.
Kami sa dar kay, tapos papa no star. Oh, awan lagi. Kaya nung nakutamban niya, pitarin ako by GC Cron.
Can you do this part real quick? Hey, Nose, can you do this part real quick? You have to change his diaper.
Oh, di man siya init kayo dahil. Oh, kana ako lagi ginan di ka nagpapalakon gahi kay kuday do karon yun. Gahi ag o. Ha? Gahi ag o lagi kung di na. Oh, nakaw na sad ka. Sawa naman. Ay naman ko, right? Sandig. Oh. Sana yan. Oh. Unsa ka nagyari ni Sdar? Ako sige ari. Kato tingay notice. Ada akong dadara. Nangaligo na mo lang ga. Nangaligo na po sila. Ako lang gida kay pangamon sa Jollibee.
Kaon, dili ko ganang Jollibee na.
Wala ka yung baka o man mag Jollibee. Liar. Liar. Hala. Liar. I know, can you change the baby's diaper? Okay.
Muha.
Te, nakadawat tayo busing notice, te.
Oh.
Sasang,
Stretch.
katonos ka nanay.
Dili mo daw.
Baby.
Amo ang
His name is Baby Yellow, not just baby.
Tama mi gireklamo sa mo ba?
Jesus.
Ang titulo.
Oh my gosh, that baby had red eyes.
Amaw na na.
Can I just stomp on this child?
Ingon man sila ihatag at
Yeah.
December.
Yeah. Okay, put the baby to bed. Okay, I'll put the baby to bed. This baby looks depressing. Wow. Do not close the door when this baby said, Demon. Okay, what What sound do we have
Ay,
next?
mabayad niya. Ingon ko no, di
Oh, the
siya
rabbit.
parok lang,
Okay,
siya.
not this one.
Nay, ikalay parok ari day ko. Ako lay hatag ka ng engineer.
Here, you like to rip things
Ako
up.
anang nga ni gibutang niya.
I
Ako
don't
lang-
meant you to stand up your forehead. Your toy's back though.
Kaya, barok.
The terrified rabbit. What the did you did it?
When the rabbit came to visit, the prince said time to play. But his big red eyes, they scared her, and she didn't want to stay. Quickly towards the exit, the tiny rabbit hopped. The prince ran right behind her and screamed she must be stopped.
Again. Can't you read again?
Dina's baby. Of course I can read again, but what does he want? Continue reading. You want me to read what happened?
Sila magasto ko din po sa area.
Oh, the cute baby turned up here.
Through dark corridors he chased her. Hop, hop, hop. A relentless, futile flight. Hop, hop, hop. Round and round inside the palace, in and out of space and sight. Hop, hop. The prince, he couldn't catch her. His heart was filled with wrath. The rabbit slipped right out the door and vanished down the path. The prince cried out, "I need new friends. More. Now, another." "I'll bring you some. Don't worry now," replied his loving, caring mother.
The reason why I'm doing recording is because I'm gonna send this to YouTube.
Mao gani, madawat ba?
Remember my YouTube channel? I need to make more. Chill out. Watch TV. Okay. Who's at the door? I'm here. Okay. A package. Oh, that Jesus ass rabbit's gone. Did they just do it?
Can I just watch?
Put the box on the long table. Okay. I need to save one. Finally watch TV. Okay. But
Ha?
ooh, that's new. What is that?
Ay, nakuha na yata. Oh,
Okay.
I need to make a part 2 of this. Watch TV and this is
Kumuha na lang mo para mabalik ka
buwan gina to.
So I'm missing a song. You are gay now. You're 12 times gay. You said you wasn't gay, but you watch gay. Okay. So what's your favorite ice cream?
perhaps I choose. Choose it. Choose.
Wala siya nabilin sa gamay. Kapag sa 30 o sa ka-ibrahan rin. Nagaan ko ng cheese. Kapag cheese para ko baon ka. Bugas. Nagpalitan ako. Arap binak mo ngayon. Nagpalitan ko ang baby. Tapos binak ako. Tay ubang.
Isip ko na.
Sige na kasi sabay. Di ba as? Di ay. Ano ka? di nagpedas JR. Layas ko sa amo ako. Susay ko mapedas JR untuk mga uli.
What's your IQ?
JR tinuod gid ito pa, so tisulti si kanako pa tinuod gid ito pa.
What's your IQ?